Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I just got a tutorial, a demo, a DIY with me. I'm just gonna brush these molds with a little mica powder. How simple is that? Now, which one, which? Okay, this one, I'm going to do the green and the blue because it's already contaminated with the bit of green. I really want to do... Yeah, I may change my mind, sorry. Okay, maybe that's a little better. This one, the blue and the gold, maybe a little too similar to this one. And then the pink and the gold on the starfish. Alright, I'll be right back. Whatever. A similar pink and a gold. Full of indecision today, sorry. I heard Wendy of Toonfish talking about how she almost always goes for purple colors because that is her favorite color. Although green is my favorite color, I don't necessarily gravitate towards green. Although I love green, I just don't figure everybody else does. Alright. There's the green. Sorry? I didn't realize you have to hold your mouth just right to do this. Oh, okay. Knock the blue out of the brush a little bit. It has a little bit more of a red cast to it. Okay. I love this gold. This is a really pretty color. Sorry, I'm just trying to get the mic to run back the other direction. I don't want to waste any of it. Oh, yes, yes. Okay. Now, let's see. This one. I'm going to try these edges first. I don't know how well this is going to work. Anyway, as I was saying, one of my hardest decisions is always what color. One of the things I struggle with the most. Because you could do it any color. This one now is a little more bubblegummy kind of pink. Okay. I'm excited. Always get to right here and I already... Okay. Now I made sure that I'm filming this time. So, I'm just gonna undo this. No. I'm just gonna undo this starfish first. Wow, that is really subtle, but really pretty. You can really see the gold on the edges. Okay, that's the starfish. And this little green one. It's always better to break the mold loose than it is to, than it is to struggle with demolding. Alright. A little bit right here of maybe a pink that I brushed in last time. Alright, that's the little mermaid tail. Anyway, what I was saying is, it's always safer to break your mold loose from the casting. Even if just a little bit. Okay. That one is pretty. Love, 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 love. I know, I tell y'all all the time, I'm not a pink. But that one is really, really, really stunning. Okay. On this last one, it would be a little more clear what I was talking about. To break the mold loose. Okay. Okay, on one like this, 91% alcohol. Make a gap. Do the tiniest little squirt. And I mean, that was probably too much. And then force it around the mold. Okay? Super simple. Literally like that, it pops right out. So this is the one that I poured just leftover resin. So it was the black with the interference resin dye, and no, I don't know what color it is because all the writing's in Chinese. And then I got a little bit of the copper, just the tiniest thin layer, and then I did the rest with the clear. So kind of a strange look, but It's just another one of those. Alright. So there we go. Thank y'all so much for watching. Seriously, this was just to show you some of the fun things you can do with mica powder in the molds. This one was just a simple one. I'll be back with more in the future. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye for now.